We know that a hemisphere is half of a sphere, so we're going to use that fact along with what we know about surface area of a sphere to help find the surface area of a hemisphere. Well, first off, this dome is going to be worth half the surface area of that whole sphere. So that means we're going to have 1/2 times 4 times pi times radius squared. 1/2 times 4 we can simplify to 2, so that gives us 2 times pi times radius squared. But that's not the entire surface area of a hemisphere. When we cut that sphere in half, we exposed a circular base that's now part of its surface area. We know to find area of a circle, we do pi times radius squared. So that means to find the total surface area of our hemisphere, we have to have the surface area of the dome part plus the surface area of our base part. Well, our dome part, in order to find the surface area of that, we said was 2 pi r squared, and our base, we said was pi radius squared. Well, if we look at our two parts, we see they're both pi radius squared. So here's 2 plus 1 more, so that's a total of 3 pi radius squared. So that we can use to find the surface area of a hemisphere. Surface area of a hemisphere is 3 times pi times radius squared. Let's use our equation to find the surface area of this hemisphere. This hemisphere has a radius of 4 centimeters, and to find surface area we do 3 times pi times radius squared. That means here we're going to have 3 times 3.14 times radius squared, so that means we're going to have 4 squared. 4 squared is worth 16, so that means we'll have 3 times 3.14 times 16. To find the surface area we can multiply those values together, and when we do, that comes out to be 150 and 72 hundredths. Since our hemisphere is labeled in centimeters, and surface area is a two-dimensional measurement, we'll label that as 150 and 72 hundredths square centimeters for our total surface area.